Bet. All right, so today is October 17th, 2025. Yesterday looked like some good setups came towards the end of day, or even in the morning. I think I missed a few. I wasn't able to trade yesterday. I think right here in the morning, I remember seeing this little area here. We'll go on the tick chart. You see some aggressive selling prior to the right here. All right, so let's put this on the notes like that. All right. All right, here we go. All right, zoom out. Okay, and then over here, so that's shy of that level, but it's part of this level right here, right? So this is something I gotta put into consideration, that maybe my level is a good level based on where all the selling block is. It's a selling block, right? Even though I want that, but that's a selling block. So if I go here, all right, these notes, and let's say I mark it like this, right? Selling block is here to up here, right? So I really would want to get this here. Let me zoom in. I'm really gonna want to get to that one. All right, now we're in that selling block area. So I have all of this, right? So how many points is that is the question, right? So we go from here to here. It's an 18-point selling block range. It's just freaking insane, right? So I don't really want to trade that. Right, it's just too much. So I am going to prefer to stick to all of the top part here. So we'll get rid of that, get rid of this, and be honest with myself. I'd want to just keep it maybe these two, because that one is kind of near it, right? Doesn't, like, these two are kind of like very close to one another. So maybe those two. Maybe just this one here actually. This here, because it's a nice hammer candle. All right, and let's drag this, throw that out like that. All right, and then let's go here and see what we got. So this one here, it's a little weird. So we have it like that, and then we start looking for some selling blocks. So maybe this one here and this one there. All right, because that's within this block right here. So maybe I could have had it like that. All right, boom. So this is the area where we want price to come to. So did price go there? I think price was short of. Oh no, price went to it. Boom, that's where the target was. So I would have want to mark down. All right, nothing here, nothing there, nothing there. I see selling. The price moves down, 940. All right, selling. But we have buying, and we have selling, and we have, okay, so it's like, what's going on, right? So it's obviously buying down here, or potential buying down here. All right, price did bounce off of it. All right, we got buying here, we got buying there. So things that we need to clear: this one, this one. All right, are smashed through, right? So it's just like, okay, what am I working on? And I have this here, right? So it's just like, okay, what am I working with? What am I working with? So I can't go long until I'm given a long opportunity. I can't go short until I'm given a short opportunity. So here, can I go long? Maybe. Short comes in. Nope. Long, maybe. Short comes in. Long, maybe. Short, 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 short. Long. Right? It's just like, so not really. So now we have absorption right here. A buying. Now, this is fine. Buying into a level and it pausing. Yes, we sold into the level and we paused. So maybe I could have went short, long right here. Right, sell, and then buy, stepped in, get long right here. like that. All right, but I wouldn't have reached my level. We should have been trying to break above that. Right, and how many points is this? It's about 12 points. That's way too much. All right, I would have to just miss that move. I'd have to try to, yeah, I have the selling here, selling there. I have to miss that move. All right. If I didn't enter down here with this buying, all right, this probably would have been my entry down here. It's a sell that's ended up weak. Now this one makes sense. Now I can hop into this one here like that. Boom, stop loss, boom, 2-1, boom, almost 4-1. Perfect trade. Right that bad boy up, boom, 14. Come back down. Still got space for my stop loss, which will be 0.5, and then up, bam, 24 points. That would have been a nice trade. Or this absorption here. So we have absorption, we have buying, and then this buying here ends up sell. It's just like, oh, okay, maybe I go short here. Right, maybe go short here, stop loss about there. All right, and then we're ready to hit 2-1. My target will be back down here, and then we hit it, bam. Exit with volume. I'll probably exit with this one right here, right down here at the 4-1. If not, if I didn't bring my stop loss a little closer. All right, this is I closed at 6-7-21, which is right up here. All right, so maybe boom, and then that push. Oh, right there, maybe exit 18, 19, 20, 21. Huh? That would have been a nice trade, and then I call it there. Okay, so now what do we do with this information? We try to prepare for the next potential opportunity. So I'm going to reset the charts, or actually I just manually do this, and then I'm going to go over the day, the week, the high, the low, and so forth and so forth. All right, so daily, where are we? We're still inside Friday's candle and last week's candle. We're just still in 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 5 days. So buyers bought back down here again. This is where I wanted to get a buy in. Look like price already moved, and we're moving back up. So maybe we'll come back and retest, or just or find a baseline and continue higher. 4 hour. Selling came, and then price slowed down into the selling range here, where price reversed. So it's a sell that ended up pushing price up. 1 hour. All right, I'm just gonna delete everything here. All right, we got absorption right here. We have a level right here in this 1 hour, and a level right here as price went to, as you can see. So I'm gonna mark this right here. Sheesh. $33-point move. 1 hour candle. 30 minutes. Okay. And that's also the high. So let's just mark it now. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. I don't have anything here to support anything here. Okay. 15 minutes. I might keep this here. 15 minutes. And 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so is there anything I can delete? Yes, there is. Everything in between. Settlement price. Let's bring that. Oh, we're still down, huh? And you're counting up. Thursday. So settlement price, we're at settlement price now. The low is way over here. Sheesh. Okay. Just as a reference. I'm gonna actually put a box around that. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, I think it might continue higher. I think so. Alright, I'm gonna run just through my levels here of just buying. We bought here, bought there, sell here, sold here, sold here, sold here. Alright. This is a selling block. And this one here will just take us straight down to that. Alright. Yeah, this is selling block and price sold. This is tight. This is selling block and price sold. show the pattern. Yep. All right, I'm done with that. Yeah. Thank you. Real quickly. And VIX, which been pretty solid with giving me some levels. Thank you. Daily Inside Laugh Fridays. 4 hour. 1 hour. Let's delete what's in the middle at least. Excuse me. Let's add this settlement price. Alright. And then same thing with the top here. 30 minutes. Yep. Alright. So it's the high. Nice movement down here. And then push up. Settlement price. Alright, before we go to lower in 30, well, let's just continue down 30. Let's go to 10. I think we're done here. And 5. Yep. Cool. All right, VIX. $30 is my theme. All right. Damn. It is VIX. hell happened yesterday? Is the same VIX? Alright, so VIX really was just going yesterday. I gotta delete a lot of things. Actually, let's just make this huge real quick. Let's see what the heck the VIX did today. So VIX is out of Friday's level, broke out. Well, this can go. What the heck VIX did? VIX was just dominating levels. Alright, let's go now to the day. That is the day. 4 hour. Okay. 1 hour. And then you got the 30 minutes. Okay. So that's where the fun stuff started to happen. So right here, yesterday's high, last week's high, Friday's low, yesterday's low, minutes. I think that's good. Right now I'm gonna go to the range chart and see what we can pull from out of the 2 and the 5. Here for the hurry up. That's a lot, right? That's just chickens. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the 5. I can't really read all of this. Shoot, I don't have to go even higher. It's not that bad. Let's go to the 3. A little lower quick. Come on, market opens up soon. Let's go. If I just throw a random box on there, which I don't want to do, which I won't do. Alright. I think this works better in tens or even numbers. Yeah, look at that. Populated like a boom heartbeat. Alright. So I can't really get anything from there. And then 5. Not giving me much. And then 2 is all over the place. Let's go 8. This is my last even number. Yeah, nothing. I mean, just show it, but I don't have time to just really wait. So I'm going to draw it at the, let's draw the whole thing here. And then I'm going to do the high. That. And make sure that this becomes like this. And then I'm going to do the low. That. Really what I have to work with. Alright, so either this holds and bounce up, or because we're out of that weekly high. Alright, and but NQ and ES are still inside the weekly's high. So that's what we're working with. Alright, anyway.